The World Cup is over, but this is my World Cup burger and the grill is still hot. This isn't just a burger. It's my match day menu burger, sticky, spicy and elevated with my signature sticky mango jerk reduction. Let's get into it. Woohoo! Guys, before we even get our grill hot, let's build our foundation first by seasoning this high quality Aberdeen Angus beef, but I couldn't get a 20% one, so I'm going to use some lard in it for a bit of extra fat so that the meat stays nice and juicy. Let's hit it with some flavors. It's a Caribbean household, so we're going in with, of course, my favorite Caribbean dry rub, and this is jerk seasoning. So in with that, we're going in with some steak seasoning. We're going in with a good teaspoon, and the same for the onion and garlic granules. Let's add some flavor to this. Pinch of salt, good pinch of salt, some flavor. Just a little splash. And now for our lard. Right now, don't overwork our meat, just keep it light. And we're gonna put these in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up, because when they're firmed up, it keeps the patties to be nice and juicy and they cook better on the barbecue that way. So we're gonna chuck it all in the fridge once we're done for 30 minutes. Let's prep our ingredient for our sticky mango glaze. Going to let that simmer low and slow for about 12 to 15 minutes on medium to low heat. While our players are chilling in the fridge, let's prep the rest of this sauce. And we're going in with a good knob of butter or two just to finish off this beautifully sticky mango glaze. And we're going to get it right down, as you can see, to a nice sticky consistency, and that is just going to give that signature Claudie Cooks mirror shine to our beautiful reduction for our burgers. This is definitely not your ordinary barbecue sauce for our burger. This is Claudie Cooks burger sauce right here in this pan. Look at that beauty. See that? Look at that gloss on the top. Right, peeps, our patties are chill, our glaze is glowing. It's game time. So let's get that sizzle and sear on the barbecue now. Listen to that sizzle. Alright, gonna cook these for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or to your doneness. We're building a zesty pineapple slaw to cut through the rich, sticky beef, shredded cabbage, fresh pineapple, and a squeeze of lime, mayo, and Greek yogurt. This isn't just a side, it's the vibrant base that sits right at the bottom of our bun. Delicious. Now we're we're going in with a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Patties are almost done. Let's make some plantain coins. Right, we're making some plantain coins. So we're gonna fry these until they're nice and golden. We are ready to assemble our MVP burger. Let's go. Okay, let's plate up. Right, we're starting off with our slaw on the bottom, just to keep that nice and crunchy at the bottom. And you just know that this is a burger that you're gonna want to keep repeating. It's a bit different. So yeah, we're keeping texture and crunch right where we need it. Time for a golden reduction. Look at that. Honestly, this sauce, oh, yum. Let's go in our lovely plantain coins. Look at that. And there you have it, my MVP World Cup burger. I have rounded off with some buttery sweet corn, some plantains for crunch, an extra bit of slaw on the side, and my pineapple and ginger spritz. This is how you celebrate the tournament in Caribbean style. Like and subscribe to the Claudie Cooks family. See you in the next video.
Claudie Cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.